So I was honestly not expecting a new OpenAI model before Gemini 3, let alone a major one, but here we are. GPT 5.1, a new model from OpenAI released yesterday on ChatGPT and today in the API. The cool thing about this model on ChatGPT is that it comes with these different modes like auto, instant, or thinking. And thinking involves some reasoning. And on the SWE-bench Verified coding benchmark, it has achieved a whopping 76.3% score. So it's pretty good. And there's also like a codex version of this model that's released. So in this video, what I want to do is I'll show you how you can build your own custom AI assistant using GPT 5.1, deploy it to your website, share it with others, and even monetize it. So head over to CalStudio.com, which is a platform that lets you create these GPT 5.1 assistants. So sign up for a free account. And once you've signed up, click on this Create App button and select OpenAI GPT from the app creation menu. And now once you're here, you need to select GPT 5.1 as the AI model, which I've already done. And then you can use the AI Copilot feature to generate your app's options. So I have generated a simple learning app, but you can basically type in your idea and it will generate the app for you. Now, one thing to understand is that the most important option in all these options is the prompt field. The prompt controls the behavior of your assistant. You can think of it as a brain for your AI app. So you need to you need to use a well-defined prompt, and you need to specify the instructions that your assistant should follow. Everything that you can use to train your GPT 5.1 app should just go here. And once you've done that, you can give it a name. So I have given it Study Buddy 1. I'm using that as the name. And you can click on this Create App button to create your app. And now you will see your app on the app dashboard. And you can click on the app to test it. Okay, so here's my app. I hope you can see this. And now we can test it. So let me just go ahead and click on the Conversation Starter 3. And this is GPT 5.1. Okay, so it's to the point. Let's maybe write something like hi. Let's see what it does. Hi, what are you working on? Okay, let's say explain the Pythagoras theorem. So you can see that it's actually in a way more concise and to the point than GPT-5. If you haven't enabled any tools, this will work pretty fast. But if you are using any sort of tools or MCPs, if you added like an MCP server, and it can slow down the app's response times. So that is how you can build the AI app. You can now go back to the app dashboard, and you can click on this menu, click on this drop-down button, and there will be an option called Launch. You can launch the app so that it's visible to others. I'm not going to do that. It's just a demo app, but that's how you can create and launch GPT 5.1 custom GPT 5.1 assistants. I hope this helps.